Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Microsoft 365 with an Outlook email easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the official Microsoft 365 website. Click on the Sign Up for Free or Get Started button. Choose the appropriate plan that fits your needs. Click on the selected plan. You will be directed to the registration page. Enter your Outlook email address in the provided field. Click on Next to proceed. Create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the specified field. Click on Next to continue. Fill in your first and last name. Select your country or region from the drop-down menu. Enter your phone number for account verification if prompted. Click Next to receive a verification code. Check your email inbox for the verification code. Enter the verification code into the required field. Click on Verify to confirm your account. Agree to Microsoft's terms and conditions by checking the box. Click on Create Account to finalize the registration process. You will be redirected to your Microsoft 365 dashboard. Explore the available apps and services. Follow any additional prompts to set up your account completely. Your Microsoft 365 registration with an Outlook email is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.